Magandang araw. So, magbe-bake po tayo ng banana bread.
Banana bread.
Yeah.
Banana bread!
So, we have the wet ingredients and the dry ingredients.
My ingredients.
So, meron po tayo ditong 2
Banana.
cups of banana.
Yeah.
It's better po kung sobrang hinog na siya. 3 pieces of eggs.
Yeah.
Half cup melted butter. Half cup of sour cream. As ingredients is vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon. For our dry ingredients, we have 1.5 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar,
1 cup of sugar.
1/2 teaspoon of
Yeah, you're right.
cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda,
Yeah, baking soda.
and 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Okay, so let's start with our wet ingredients.
Yeah, this egg.
This egg, can you hold it? Can you do that? Let me help you.
Wow! And another egg, Dad.
Yeah. Can I have? Okay. That's it.
We mash it together, Dad.
Yes.
Whoa!
We mash it together.
Yeah.
Okay, so
So that's cooking.
can you eat the egg? I think this is enough.
Yeah. Wow! There's
Let's
so many bubbles.
pour
Dad.
the 1 teaspoon of
Oh, this.
vanilla extract.
I don't like to live.
Don't move. Okay, can you put it down? Our melted butter.
I will melted water.
Yeah. Okay.
And when it's this high place toasted bread.
Yeah, it's we always use that in our toasted bread.
Yeah.
That's right. And 1/2 cup of
Sorry.
1/2 cup of
Oh,
sour
four.
cream. Sour cream, baby.
Yeah.
Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome, Dad.
You need to mash the banana. I
This.
think no, there's this one.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so
I'm gonna do it.
okay,
Like,
like this. Then this.
I'm gonna help Daddy.
Thank you. Yeah.
Hi, Kian.
I'm helping Daddy.
Good job.
Thank you. Thank you for your help.
Thank you. Okay, so let's put some in. Can you hold it?
Yeah.
The mashed banana.
Yeah. And the sugar.
It's this is 1 cup.
1 cup.
Yeah,
And we will put it there, Daddy.
that's here in the bowl of egg.
In there?
Yeah, in our wet ingredients.
Daddy, that's enough.
We need to pour it level in the cup so our measurement is
I'm helping Daddy.
right. Can you hold it here?
Wait, and put it there.
Yeah, thank you. And then mash again the other banana.
Yeah, mustard, that's a banana.
Okay.
Okay, what's in the...
Let me pour the banana in our cup.
Yeah,
No, I think it will not.
it will fit, Dad.
It will fit
Yeah.
by feet.
Yeah.
That's good. Let me help you. then Daddy will
Well,
mix
mix.
it.
I mix it with you.
Okay. Oh,
Your breast.
yeah. Oh, let me that. Daddy.
Okay.
I love you. Oh, thank you for your help.
We're mixing the wet ingredients.
Put in the dress, Mom.
Yeah.
See? It's mixing na.
Whoa! Daddy, that's really cool. You know, Daddy, you're big like this. Like taller like that, Daddy.
Okay? We will mix na yung ating dry ingredients. So,
Yeah?
we put the flour in the strainer para
Yeah,
masala
for
ito.
in the strainer.
Yung mga buo-buo. You'll do it like this, baby.
Whoa, Dad.
Yan. Mhm. Okay. Luckily, wala pong buo-buo.
So, we're gonna make
Now, next is our sugar.
sugar.
Yeah. Mm. Mm. Wow.
Wow, very
Okay, that's
good.
okay na. Yes, and then
Whoa!
our 1/2 teaspoon.
Of that.
Yeah, this is cinnamon.
Cinnamon. I like cinnamon.
Cinnamon. Yeah.
Cinnamon.
Yeah. I think we need to open it here.
Yeah. I like
And
cinnamon.
can you put it there?
Okay.
Very good.
Next, this one.
Yeah, this is baking soda.
I like making soda also.
Also, 1/2 teaspoon. Very good.
Now that.
This is baking powder.
Baking powder.
Same. Okay. And the last but not the least is salt.
Salt. Okay. Hi, Mom.
Hello. Can you sing?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
1/2 teaspoon of salt. Okay.
So we're gonna mix.
Yeah, we're gonna
That's
mix.
right.
That's right. You mix it like this, okay? You mix it.
Don't have it together.
Together like this. Okay. Later we will watch our video.
Yeah.
Father and son
Oh, it's on.
baking together.
We can together.
See, it's mixed well na, I think. But for the finishing touch, let me try it again.
Yeah, me too with that.
Okay. Do you love doing this?
Yeah.
Next, we will put we will now combine our wet ingredients.
Yeah, that's.
That one, yeah. Okay, let me do this, baby.
Yeah.
Because
Whoa, it's getting bigger, Dad. Mama, find this.
Thanks.
need to mix it as well.
Yes.
Can you help me?
Yeah. Mom, do you saw that? Hello.
Are you excited?
So kung makikita niyo po kanina, hindi po natin gaanong dinurog talaga yung ating banana para malasahan po natin siya sa ating bread.
So we make it that. Look, Mom, I'm helping Dad.
Thank you, baby.
Welcome.
Okay, nahalo na po natin ang ating ingredients.
Yeah.
So, let's put it in our baking pan.
Yeah.
Okay,
I will help you.
thank you.
What's getting me good, Dad? Uh-huh.
Let's
Let's make some eggs. It's getting
get them
good.
all.
Get them all, Dad.
Yeah. Okay.
That is big.
Hmm.
Yay!
Okay.
And then
Now for the toppings, we are using walnuts.
walnuts.
Okay, can you help me put it there? Like this, baby.
Okay, good.
Yeah. Dinurog na po natin yung ating walnut. Dito, baby. Yes. And then at the side. Okay, so
Yay! Banana bread! Banana bread.
so naka-preheat po tayo ng 180 sa ating oven.
No, you said Dad. 18 for
So-
just chasing our food.
We will put na yung ating
18
banana bread.
banana bread. Are you banana bread?
Okay.
Banana bread.
Let's wait for 30 minutes. Check na po natin ang ating banana bread after 30 minutes. So, medyo wet pa po siya. Let's extend for 15 minutes. Okay, so let's check again. Perfect. I think it's cooked na, ma'am.